in the atmosphere. The solution of the word lightning. Lightning comes from a English line. Are there any idioms? Yes, moving with lightning speed. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Whose life is a lightning, his was a thunder. And are there any synonyms? Yes, electrical discharge, streak of lightning, and flash. What's the reciprocal field? Light, lightning, lightning rod, lightning conductor, and can you present the translation in Spanish? Yes, in Spanish is light. And in Galician? In Galician, los tego chispa centella.